Heather. So welcome to my vlog channel, or welcome if you're new. So as you can tell, I'm a little bit congested right now, but that's not gonna stop me because it's Christmas morning and I'm up bright and early, ready to open some more gifts if I have any, if Santa brought any. I don't know, maybe I'm on the naughty list this year. Who knows? But I'm gonna be doing that this morning. I'm also going to be filming for my main channel, which is just Heather Elise, my what I got for Christmas video that I do every single year. And I'm gonna be editing that and posting it today. So I'm literally going to be doing everything all in one day like I do every single year. And it's honestly really hard, but I make it work every year. But first thing I'm gonna do is go downstairs right now, see if I got anything else. And let me just say, Christmas is not about the presents. It's about friends, family, Jesus. I'm setting up my Apple Watch, and my mom wanted me to go to the store and get it set up, but it's Christmas Day and I'm very impatient. I'm trying to set it up right now. Here it is, and I think I know how to do it, but we're gonna figure it out. Okay, this is like so weird. It's like showing the exact same thing on the screen on my Apple Watch, and oh my gosh, I'm like, oh, this is so cool. Okay guys, I'm all done filming. It was just, today has been so fun. I'm just so happy, so grateful. It's just, I've really, this year, I know I've said that like 50 times, but this year I'm just really feeling like grateful. I finally just realized that it's really just about friends and family and having your friends and family around you and hanging out with them. It's not really about what Santa brings you or anything like that. But I hope you guys do have a Merry Christmas. Mine has been so fun this year. I'm just so thankful for everyone that's commented on my Instagram pictures, everyone that's talked to me, all my friends, my family. And in a little bit, I think I'm going to react to last year's vlogmas because I thought it would be fun to do. I'm turning off my ring lights, but I want to react to my video I did on Christmas last year because I feel like this is such a fun thing to do, and then I can look back on it and like predict how I'm going to be a year from now. And it's crazy because next year will actually be crazy because I'll be a senior and my life will be, I feel like, a lot different than it is right now. I'm going to react to vlogmas last year. I thought this would be fun to do, but I'm going to be reacting to last year's video that I filmed. And literally, how was everyone already posting their what I got for Christmases? Like, surely they freaking edited these last night, filmed it yesterday. I don't know how people do that. We're gonna watch this. Here, I'll put it like this and I can react. I can see it in the screen.
Hey guys, it's Heather. Welcome back to
I love my long hair. It was so cute.
It's Christmas Day and I'm super pumped for it. And a tradition in my family is we actually open all of our gifts, or most of them besides like a little stocking, on Christmas Eve. So I thought I would insert clips of me opening my presents yesterday. So since we like do that as a family tradition, I don't know, maybe you guys do that. I don't know if it's just my family.
No one else does that, I'm pretty sure.
My parents.
Aw, that's so cute. I wish I did like time lapses like that more often.
I got the glasses I wanted. I know this is weird.
I still have them.
For glasses, and I don't even read like with glasses, but like these are so cute. My mom got me some texting gloves, mittens, whatever. They're really cute.
I love this song. I don't think did I use this song this year? I think I did.
Next gift, I'm gonna open the ones in the wrapping paper. So,
I feel like this was just yesterday. I can't believe it was a year ago. Ooh. There's me opening my gifts. That's so fun.
So guys, I just finished filming.
Aw, I was so cute.
And now I'm going to clean up.
I love my long hair. I really want it to grow back.
Because Christmas, my
oh, that Instagram picture was so cute.
Hot cocoa. Fun fact is it's cold hot cocoa, and I just put a bunch of marshmallows on top of it.
It'd be like that yeah, sometimes. Okay. I literally took everything out of my room the day of Christmas and took all the decorations down and then like redecorated my room on Christmas because I got so much new room decor. Not doing that this year because I don't have that much room decor. Okay, I really like how I use like a lot of time lapses. That's so fun. I love time lapses. They're just kind of hard to do and kind of annoying.
Subscriber, but go check it out on my main channel, Heather Elise. Back to reality, it's time to put my room back together. Well, was it together in the first place? That's a question. And I'm going to be...
I haven't changed at all. Literally, I still am like, time to put my room back together. It's a disaster.
But they haven't been very cute.
My room looks so different. Let me just say that.
A real good one. Honestly, I low-key want to just start filming my videos right here. Just like set up my camera right here and just film from this angle. Like so cute. And I like this square mirror, but I think what I want to do is like put a circle mirror.
Oh my gosh, my room looks so different.
That I might get from Target tomorrow. And the Grinch in there.
Aww.
And then we're gonna watch this other movie called Christmas in Conway.
I honestly want to watch Christmas in Conway tonight. Like that's my favorite Christmas movie and I haven't even watched it yet. We're watching that tonight. Christmas in Conway, guys.
Aspen and Parker's what I got for Christmas. I've been waiting for it all day, literally now. So I'm gonna try it, this vegan pizza. We'll see. It's good.
That stuff was actually really good, just saying.
And so guys, Merry Christmas. I wanted to go ahead and end this vlog. I am about to go take a shower and watch a movie with my parents. And I will see you guys in my next vlog, which will actually be tomorrow. I am not stopping this like vlog grind. Like I am having so much fun vlogging. Like I'm not gonna stop just because Vlogmas is over. I will see you guys tomorrow in my next vlog. And I am 1 subscriber away from 1,000 subscribers on my main channel. So next vlog, I will be at 1,000 subscribers most likely. Thank you guys so much for all your support, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. Thanks. Bye.
Okay, so that's my video from last year. Now to the point of this reacting. I guess I'm going to tell you guys what I think my life will be like in the next year. I know that Aspen and Parker do this, and every year I want to start doing this because I think it'd be so fun. Like if YouTube was still around and I had like a family and stuff, that'd be so cool to like look back on. So since I reacted to 2017 Christmas, I'm going to tell you guys what I think my life will be like 2019 Christmas and predict it. I think I'm going to be pretty sure where I'm going to college. I am kind of sure right now, and it's kind of the place I want to go, and I've already kind of decided a little bit. I just have to see if I get in. Crossing my fingers. And I'm also probably going to be pretty sure moving to LA. Kind of crazy. That's going to be happening super soon, actually in like a year and a half. I'm kind of terrified at the same time. I'm really excited, so I'm ready for whatever life takes at me, comes at me. What am I saying? I'm only gonna have 1 more semester of high school left by that time. That's gonna be freaking crazy. My life has gone by so fast. I feel like I was in elementary school yesterday. I always tell the girl that I babysit that I feel like I was her age yesterday. I feel like I haven't aged a bit. I'm hoping that I will be a little bit more healthy in the future, because this year I was kind of healthy at the beginning and then it kind of went downhill. I'm hoping to at least have 10,000 subscribers by next year on my main channel. I really think I can do it. I have like 4,000 right now, almost 4,000, something like that. I hope that I can hit 10,000 subscribers. That's basically my goal. I've really wanted to hit that for the longest time, and I really think I can do it if I really just put in the work and the effort. That's basically what I think my life will look like. Pretty much the same, besides the fact that I'll be moving very soon, a year from now. But hopefully when I react to this a year from now, I come back to this moment, I'm like, wow, it was just yesterday. Life goes by so fast, and don't take your time for granted. But there's my little reacting segment. I'm gonna start doing this for every single haul. I'm in my car now. I am about to go pick up my Grammy, and we're gonna go to the grocery store because we have no food at our house. I just wanna say, this is so useful to have this little thing here. Like, it's so much easier, so much safer that I can like look at this when I'm like doing something on my phone and trying to get music and directions and all that. I would highly recommend one of these. Like, this is It has been a hot minute since I have vlogged because there's just not much to vlog. I kind of just like watched a movie with my Grammy and we just like hung out, and it was just a fun bonding moment. But now, as you can probably tell, I'm wearing workout clothes because I'm about to work out. I feel very fitnessy with this Apple Watch, this matching it, these pants and everything. So I'm going to do a little like ab workout or something from YouTube because like I'm not at the gym.